In this tutorial, you learn how to use the IO length measurement tool to assess intraoral X-ray images with precision and support your endodontic treatment planning. This feature gives you the ability to measure anatomical structures directly in 2D IO X-rays, helping you evaluate case difficulty and estimate endodontic file selection. The IO length measurement tool provides several important clinical advantages. It allows you to place precise length measurements directly onto 2D X-rays, giving you an immediate sense of case complexity and supporting your endodontic planning from the very first look. For situations where accuracy is especially critical, you can add an optional reference measurement. This step helps compensate for distortions that may occur due to sensor angulation, ensuring your measurements align more closely with the true scale of the image. By calibrating the pixel-based representation of the X-ray in this way, the tool helps you consistently derive reliable length information, even when anatomical structures cannot be displayed at a perfectly accurate physical scale. Open an IO X-ray image taken with a supported DS sensor. Click the length measurement icon in the toolbar. Click on the X-ray to place your first point. Continue placing points along the structure you want to measure. Double-click to complete the measurement. DS Core automatically calculates the total length across all line segments you placed. Click the length measurement icon again and choose reference measurement. Select a different line color to distinguish it from regular measurements. Draw the reference line on an object of known size. In the top toolbar, enter the known measurement value. Select the checkmark to confirm. Once set, all measurements in the same image scale automatically whenever you adjust the reference measurement. IO length measurement supports multi-control point measurements, automatically summing all segments. Reference measurements are optional for IO X-rays but essential for achieving the best possible accuracy. Measurements represent pixel-scaled values, not exact anatomical length. Adjusting the reference measurement automatically updates all measurements in that image. Supported sensor types include SCIC33, SCIC-AE, and SCHIOS XG. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.